Hi everybody, welcome to weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Buju Banton returns to the United States, and that has sent the fans in a frenzy.
That is amazing, God.
The statement made by veteran dancehall DJ Buju Banton, who marked his return to the U.S. in almost half a decade. Now, news broke about his return Thursday when American record producer and DJ Khaled, in an Instagram Live, made the announcement.
It's been about 15 years since you've seen him in Miami, or what we call the United States. Love to Jamaica, love the Bahamas, love to the whole world. We represent one love. And I just want to say, yo, Buju Banton, welcome back to your second home. Buju Banton!
An excited Buju responded by giving God the praise while showing love to his fans.
That is amazing, God. I want to say enough love to all the people out there. This is Buju Banton. I want to say enough love to you all my fans out there.
Yes.
And all the other states.
Yes, that's right.
United States of America.
That's right.
Gargamel is back.
The two then went on to show gratitude to each other, which was followed by Buju declaring time as the master.
Greetings, my people. It's been a long time I haven't seen you. It's been a long time these feet have to walk on this side, you know. But nothing before the time. I know it's the time. So let's get music going. Let's get the vibe going.
Now, following the news, Grammy-winning recording artist Grams Morgan took to Instagram, sharing that yes, the great one is ready to heal the massive again. While fans had one question for the Gargamel: when will the tour be? Shenseea eyes Grammy with second studio album. Head of the Sheng Yang clan, Shenseea, has left fans in a frenzy following a recent announcement via social media that her sophomore album is almost here. The Never Gets Here Late project, which is slated for release later this month, boasts a total of 14 tracks, which features the likes of Wizkid, Anita, Coi Leray, and her chart-topping Reggae iTunes video Hit and Run featuring Massacre, and produced by The Genius. Never Gets Here Late follows her 2022 Billboard charting debut album Alpha. According to Billboard, Alpha opened at number 2 on the Reggae album chart. But Shenseea is looking to make an even bigger wave with her sophomore album, Never Gets Here Late. The Hit and Run singer took to social media platform X, sharing that she would like to win a Grammy. Speaking recently with Billboard News, she shared that the album will provide a catalog of timeless music.
Never Gets Late Here, what is that referencing?
It means to me timeless music. You can put on this album and it just never gets old. You know, it's pretty deep, and I love timeless music. That's the type of music that I grew up on, and that's the type of music I think that lasts and really inspires great artists to come. And I want to be able to do that as well, because I've been inspired by many great artists.
Adding that she plans on bringing more serenity to the ears of listeners with the project. And we close out this evening's episode with New Music Friday. This is Jashi and Leela giving you the experience of an outpouring of blessing. The two teamed up for the release of their newest single, Blessings, produced by Slider the Wizard Music and Ramesh Entertainment.
Blessings fall on me, yeah. Blessings fall on me, oh. Jah never let me down, never let them get me down, no. Blessings fall on me.
That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.